welcome to D News. As the nation wants to know who I am, my name is Aditya and I am the lead news reporter for Daffodils News. 2024 is an important year for Indians as we gear up for the general elections. Similarly, this year, or rather the first 6 months, is equally important for a group of Bangaloreans belonging to a Toastmasters Club put up in Malleshwaram. Daffodils Toastmasters Club began its 42nd term. The club concluded its own general elections and have elected the executive committee for the term Jan to June 2024. I would like to now introduce you to the committee members, or as I like to call them, the Sincere Seven. Coming to our first executive committee member, like me, he's an engineer. All engineers have one thing in common. First, finish engineering, get your degree, and then think about what you want to do in life. This ex-com member is no less. His passion is bodybuilding. Heck, his biceps are bigger than my thighs. However, contrary to his physique, he's a very sweet and soft-spoken gentleman. Congratulations to Toastmaster Saurabh Mishra for becoming our Sergeant at Arms. Saurabh, please say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. As an essay, my goal for this term is to infuse our meeting with vibrant energy. Why it is important, you ask? Energizing the crowd is not about starting with a bang. It's about focusing our collective attention, fostering engagement, and uplifting everyone's spirits. To help me achieve these goals, I have my associates.
When I hear the song Le Gai from the movie Dil To Pagal Hai, I'm reminded of Shamak Dawar's choreography in that song. And when I think of Shamak Dawar, I'm reminded of our next committee member. He has a treasure of talent in him and currently has over a decade of experience in learning and development. Being in media, I have my sources who told me that he was offered a multi-crore contract to be the face of Beardo. But he turned down this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity because he didn't want to give up on spending time with his son. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our treasurer, TTM Nikhil Rao. Nikhil, please introduce yourself to the audience.
I'm Nikhil Rao, and I'm the treasurer of Jan to June 2024. And this is my team. She and I will work together to ensure our club finances are great. And not just great, a primary goal, or perhaps maybe the only goal that we want to have for this term, is to ensure that we have a sustained output. A view to have policies and processes, not just for this term, but for the club as a whole, that can sustain itself irrespective of who comes on board as the committee. And we will do our best. Thank you.
This first lady takes this executive committee to a whole another level. Her devotion to travel is second to none. Yesterday, she was in Gokarn. Today, she is in Leh. And tomorrow, she'll be in Udaipur. A wanderluster in the truest sense. She considers herself to be an antisocial butterfly, wanting to break free from her cocoon. Congratulations to Toastmaster Shraddha Gokarnkar for becoming the secretary for this term. Shraddha, would you like to say a few words to the audience?
Good evening, everyone. As the secretary of this term, my goal would be to create and maintain clear documentation of all club meetings and executive committee meetings. Also, to create a repository to store all these important club documents for easy future access. To help me with this role, I have my associate, Toastmaster Pranav Nayak.
Violence, violence, violence. I don't like it. I avoid. But violence likes me. I can't avoid. If I were to use this dialogue from KGF for our next ExCom member, she would say, money, money, money. I love money. I don't avoid. But money doesn't like me. It avoids. She's an aspiring accounting professional who ironically is having a hard time managing her own finances. But that doesn't stop her from going on treks and taking up various adventure activities. Please put up your hands together for our VP membership, Toastmaster Trupti Khandelwal. Congratulations, Trupti. Please introduce yourself to the audience.
Good evening, everyone. As a Vice President membership, my goal for this term is to enhance the members' experiences but also maintaining the tradition of adding 5 new members to the club and early renewals to meet the criteria of award of District 92. And to help me achieve this goal, I have my two dynamic individuals as an associate, Sadashiv sir and Srinivas sir. Thank you.
Time to introduce you to yet another sincere XCOM member. She has a contagious smile. She has a funny bone. But most importantly, she has a heart of gold. Speaking of gold, please put your hand together for our newly elected VP of Public Relations, Sona Bilakia. She is definitely the right person for the job as she has maintained a good relationship with everyone in the club. Congratulations on your new role, Sona. Would you like to say a few words to our audience?
Good evening, everyone. As the Vice President Public Relations of our club, I plan to implement the following goals to increase the reach of our club through social media and also to engage our members in various activities such as competitions and also to engage the public as a whole to help me achieve my goals. I have my associates, Toastmaster Pranav Gurudat and Toastmaster Sachit.
Being a Bollywood junkie, one of the movies that's stayed with me is Mohabbatein. One of the infamous dialogues of the movie was Parampara, Pratishta, Anushasan, which translates to tradition, worship, and discipline. So when I think of a Daffodils Club member who resonates with these words, I'm reminded of our newly elected VP. Congratulations to our beloved Toastmaster Meeta M. Shah. Ma'am, would you like to say a few words to the audience?
Good evening, everyone. As a VP, a few of my important goals would be to have a quality meetings and help the members to get mentored and identify their goals and achieve them. To build a structure for mentoring and ensuring members to have a clear roadmap of how to mentor and get mentored. To achieve these two goals, in the next 6 months, my team will be there to help me, and I would like to now introduce them. Toastmaster Geeta, Toastmasters Naina, Toastmaster Sanjana, Toastmaster Nanda. Thank you, and as a Vice President Education team, we look forward to a collaborative and shared success. Thank you.
Indian national emblem, the infamous Bollywood officer Singham, and a newly elected president associate themselves with one common thing, the tiger. Or in Daffodil's case, a tigress. She doesn't need to roar. She walks into a room and people sit up and take notice. She always lights up the room, quite literally. As the club members have told me, she's the first to reach every Saturday and switch on the lights. She wears colors such as yellow with such grace and poise that she can put a lemon to shame. Toastmaster Prakriti, congratulations on your new role.